Hello everyone, welcome to ACTE 660, Teaching and Learning in Secondary Education. I am just trying to give you a quick tour of our D2L shell as the course is fully online. First of all, once you log in, a kind of disclaimer, so you will be seeing a lot of things that might not be visible to you as a student. So just bear with me, I'm using the main instructor face. So basically this is how the home page of our course look like. And if you want to access content, so you will just go to resources and click on content. So you will find everything is here. It's organized into modules. I will advise, please read the content of module 0, where you will see the brief introduction of the course and the discussion board expectations, because we will definitely gonna utilize discussion board a lot, and the netiquettes, the technical suggestions in case, and also you will find the course syllabus right here. I'm gonna upload that immediately after this video. So the course, as I maybe sent in our introduction email, it's organized into 5 modules, which is we will be completing a module each week, which we will have 2 discussion posts, and some weeks we're gonna have some assignments due, but usually all the course assignments that we will be doing, I plan them to be submitted in the weekend, so we will have some time to work on the assignment. So module 1, I'm just going in here to show you. So example, maybe from your end, even if you click on this module, you will not be able to see that because you see it's hidden. So module 1, on each module, this is how I plan to present that. I will give you the topic, and I'll also try to explain the objectives for the week and what are the tasks that we will be completed for the week. And the overview, each module will have some overview, and here I took time to give you this note because I was thinking some of us might not have our books, so at least to read and have idea of what we will be doing. And also under this module I have sub modules which covered some aspect of our course objectives. So like under this, you will see we have you click on that, it's gonna open up and give you a brief note, and you will watch a video from this. And also you go back to the second part, and it also look like this. So what I have, or how I organize it, is for our discussion post, each of the discussions you can actually access it from here under the content, or you might consider just going to communication and you go down to discussions. So also this is another way. You see all the discussions were listed, and some of them you will not be able to see any content because I will be updating the topic for discussions based on the readings of the week for that week. So, and each new module will be opening on Fridays, as I also describe in our syllabus. So that one is pretty much straightforward. Then in the case of assignments that you will be submitting, you go to assignment and click on assignment. Then it's gonna open up and show you the list of assignments, and I believe here they are all invisible. So I just want to call our attention. Each of the assignments that we will be having, it shows the due date by the end here, right? Except for module or discussion post 1 and 2, which are open throughout the week. But all other, you have all the due dates here. And at the same time also, you might notice if you are on the home page and you check on our calendar, which I can go back a little bit and show you, it's also going to show our due date. So it will be popping every beginning of the week. Let's say, for example, I am just clicking there. As you see here under calendar upcoming events, so you see it's showing you have something that is due, right? And also my weekly emails will be something that I will be calling your attention on things that I do. And for discussion posts 1 to 8, actually under assignments you don't have to submit anything here, right? Because this is just assigned as a grade book. So you make your post under the discussion post, and I will just come here and post your grade. So it's just showing you that it is connected to a grade book. Self-introduction, there's going to be a folder under this under discussion which says self-introduction, and that is where your colleagues can go in and look at each other's self-introduction, so we will get to know each other a little bit. And for papers and lesson plans, and this is our final course project or course paper. So you will notice here it has this sign. It is showing you literally that this assignment have originality check. That is the Turnitin. That is the database that the university is using, and this is just to ensure the integrity of our work. So make sure if you write this paper, especially this one and that one, write it according to APA style. And if you're not familiar with APA as well, on our syllabus there is a link that you can click in and it will take you there. And also feel free to shoot me a question at any time related to APA and any other things if you have. And also you will see that under our discussion board as well, I have this button or this forum for help. So this is in the case you have quick question, you can post it here, and probably one of the class members or one of your peers might have answer while I was doing something. So here it helped, like we help each other. That was why I named it help. And any other things, I think these are the basic things that we need to know about. And as always, as usual, you can get hold of me easily through email. I'm very quick on email, and each week I will be posting announcements here to tell you what we will be doing, and also be sending emails on Sunday to let you know of what we will be doing the following week. But modules, as I said, will be opening every Friday evening. And these are all the due dates. And in case you wanna meet, this is my office hours, and usually I log in on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays from 11 a.m. to noon. You can just click on the link and it asks you for password. You just use the password, and I will be in my Zoom room. Or maybe sometimes I might be in a meeting. It's just gonna send you straight to waiting room, which I will receive an email that someone is in the waiting room waiting for me. So feel free to stop by and we can discuss the course. Or if you have anything that you want us to discuss or have a question or chat, feel free to just hop in. And during my office hours like this, you really don't need an appointment. Just get in there and I will definitely be there to answer your questions or your concern. And I look forward to our time together. And please don't forget, if you need any information or question, feel free to reach out. Thank you.